Hi, I'm Joe, and I want to show you the Palmyra Cove Nature Park. And the Palmyra Cove Nature Park is right in the shadow of the Palmyra Bridge in New Jersey, on the New Jersey side. And it's really beautifully landscaped. That's all I can say right now. You got this big visitor center. It closes most days at 4 o'clock. A lot of displays here about this area, the coastal Delaware River, flora and fauna, animals and things like that. It's a big visitor center, and you can really have a good time here walking around on some of these trails and roads around the coves. And you see all these beautiful wildflowers here, and I think they have a kayak area or a rowing area. I don't know, that current's pretty strong out there. I have a friend that said go out there and you see a nice place to launch a boat here. I'll show it to you. This is directly off of the Tacony Bridge. Stay to the right and go around all the toll booths, and it's right at the bridge here. Tacony Palmyra Bridge. And I guess people do fishing here. It's a pretty fancy visitor center. Looks like a national park. Right at the Tacony Palmyra Bridge. There's pet rocks here. Yeah, it's a pretty big visitor center. A nice place to eat too, you know. Good place to take a date, I'd say. Just like in Florida here, it's all outside, boardwalk style. You got the observation deck there. It's a wraparound observation deck. Pretty well made here. Shows the bridge. Shows the fishing pier here. Place to go launch a kayak, I guess. Nice place here. People to do some kayaking and boating out here. And I guess they got a bird watching center up here. There's a lot of birds out here. There's a bird watching deck right there. And it goes all the way up like a hawk watch, right up to the top of the observation deck here. The area where they explain the Burlington County flora and fauna. Yeah. Nice sights in there. Don't cost anything to go in there either. It's all free. It's locked up, unfortunately. I wish it wasn't. They're not open yet though, I guess. You got all these areas of buffer zones for rabbits and small animals around here. Current's so damn strong out there. I just doubt if you can run a boat out there real far. Leave those people to their space over there. And I'll come back at you with part 2 on this one.